Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today our topic is what comes between. What comes in between 1 and 3. Can you guess which number in between? It must be 9. No, 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 no. Oh yes, it's 4. No, no, no. Now I got it. It's 2. Right. 1, 2, 3. It's 2 in between. Now, what comes in between 3 and 5? It's 7. No, 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 no. It's 9. No, 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 no. Oh, yes, I got it. It's 4. Yes, 3, 4, 5. 4 in between 3 and 5. Now, what comes between in 6 and 8? I guess it's 5. No, 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 no. I am pretty much sure it's 7. Well done. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Now, so we learned the concept of between. I hope you understand. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.